Wow, she's posting a video. Oh my god. I thought she was dead. Oh my god. Can y'all recognize this? It's a box. It means I got something else to hang up on the wall. Yeah. There's not much to add to my collection. I'm not a big fan of the flag printed anything on the Ghostface mask. So I'm only gonna collect the Ghostface mask that I like. But now you can see it in the background. I think the other way was better. Anyway. I haven't filmed in forever. I don't know how to do this shit anymore. Never did to begin with. But I saw a little bit of it and I was like, nope, I gotta save it for a video. Okay. So I know my Ghostface videos did good. They always did good. So I'm hoping to be back on the train again since the season of Halloween is gone and there's not that many stores open. And I'm not sure if Foam World's gonna release any new designs. I think I follow one of the artists that helped create the newest designs. I'll remember, if I remember the user, this is so-and-so person. I forgot the name. I'm sorry. I have one brain cell. The same brain cell as any Chihuahua does. Alright. Oh my god. Whoa. Look what I got, guys. Look what I got, guys. Guys, it's another Ghostface mask and it smells like freaking Halloween. It smells like vanilla. Like, this is how I hope my coochie be smelling like. Like, it just smells so good. I think this is like the third Ghostface mask series in the Dead by Daylight game that's kind of modified. Don't quote me on that. I don't play that much, nor do I care to know all the masks. But this one has always been like catching my eye, but I never saw a reason to pay like full price for it. And Amazon's having a sale for $9 something, almost close to $10. But yeah, this is so nice. I thought this would be softer since it's kind of like melted. It looks like somebody like turned on the candle and melted that shit. I don't know, I think this one's really unique and really cool. The yellow meltingness reminds me of mustard. I don't know if this is like I need to find the lore for Dead by Daylight. Like, is this the devil mask but melted? Because why is it red? Someone fill me in on that because I'm dumb. But this is called the, if I don't say it right, I'm sorry. The Scorched Ghostface mask by Dead by Daylight. I have the other two. I have the frosted one and I have the devil horns. But this one's cool. Sorry for the glare. I'm gonna show some close-ups where you can see all the details. But so far this is the mask compared to my face. I have a pretty big face. Really nice. I like how one droops. This kind of reminds me like if Ghostface was a part of Creepypasta. The hood doesn't feel like a shroud. It just feels like a polyester Halloween type of hood, and it has some holes. Do you see the holes? Wait, so you see it? Wait, I look like that guy from Shrek, the one with the holes. I don't know how to say it. And then it looks like a kindergarten cut this. I don't know. I don't mean to be too picky because I could not do this shit myself. But for the price, I can't complain. I paid $10 for this. But it literally looks like I was in a hurry and went. And there's more holes over here. The little details you can see with my Halloween lights in the back. Ooh, this is nice. These are a little scary. I guess this is to hold it in the shape, and so it isn't so hard on your face. This looks like a coochie straight up. If you didn't know the context, then just open up a video and this is all you saw. Let me see if there's a manufacture date. This one says April to June 2023. It just helps to know what type of batch you got, if you got a good batch or not so good batch. It says a Dead by Daylight logo. Oh my. And wait, there's like, I need to show up closer because this lighting is ass, and I apologize. The sun is hitting, it's the sun's setting. I don't feel like turning on the lights because then y'all can see more of me. No thank you. But isn't this cool? Oh wait, let me try it on. Also, you can't see it, but it has like a stretchy thing so your big ass head can fit in. That's what she said. But sometimes I don't like to wear it because I wear makeup, so how is this gonna go? Whoa, my ears. So I'm gonna try to do more Ghostface reviewing content, mask reviewing content, but there's only so many masks that I literally want on the wall. I'm not gonna get every single different type of mask for the collection reason. I'm not a serious collector. I've always said this. I collect for fun, and that's what y'all gonna get. Anyway, yeah. But that I may talk all this shit, but I can't do this. This is so fucking cool. All jokes aside, I really like this, and for the price of it, this is a steal. So if you want a Ghostface mask and you only have like $12, go on Amazon and get this. It's worth the money. It's cool. It's a creepypasta Ghostface in my book. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you're watching and you like my content so far and you haven't subscribed, what the fuck are you doing? Subscribe, you know? Just kidding. Why did I sound so aggressive? I didn't like that. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, please. Anyways, yeah, I'll try to keep posted, but yeah, have a good one. Bye, bitches.